Hello guys. So in this video, we are going to create a Telegram chatbot in which you are going to use database connectivity using Firebase application, which was for Google, right? So before that, we had to create a Telegram bot. So as you know, the steps are being like so searching for bot further. So this blue tick mark should be able to see. And here, if you send this command, this will be the message we'll be getting, and we are going to set a name for our bot that I set here window 22. And now it asks for a username which should be ended with bot. So I set for window 22 bot. So here see the final message will be given in this is a token which we are going to use in our code for connectivity. Okay, so next we have created the bot. Next, you have to set up the Firebase application for database. So this is the Firebase we are going to set up. I have already set up here, but I will be explaining the steps. So this is my collection sales. So this is already the previous entries. So these are the previous entries. So let's see how to connect to database. Okay, I have the steps here. So firstly, you have to search for Firebase in Google. Then you have to open console. So when opening console, it will look like this image, and you have to click here create project, and then you have to enter your name, project name. After that, it will ask for your Google Analytics authentication. If you want, you can turn on. I did it, and I gave location for Europe. And then here, so you have see you have to create five store database. So five store database, when you clicking, you have to click on create database. Then you have to start in test mode. There it will appear means in which mode you have to start, like test mode or any other mode. Then we'll be starting in test mode, and then you have to click num5 for cloud firestore storage location, and then it will ask for collection, so collection id, and then documents. So then database is ready for the setup. So this is the node.js code which will be used in the further. Okay, so this code will be used in the further, and let's see the code now. Okay, so now for coding. So here see the first I installed all my packages, and then this is the token which I take from Telegram, and this is the where I created the bot, and it is a constant bot, and it's Telegram bot, and the token is from where the Telegram, and polling always must be true. And then here see, and this service account, this code I never included in my previous videos. In this code, the service account because of the database which we are going to create. Okay, so it's key.json. So it is the file where we are going to authorize these or URLs and APIs and somewhat else. Okay, and then you have created DB, means that is database from the Firestore. So this is the get Firestore where the installed Firebase admin module, and then it's the main function that is for dot on of message comma function of message. So here see we are going to give input, and we are going to get the output. So what is the input is message. So mg.text is what the message you are going to give, and then this new message is what the message is splitted into words. Okay, what we are going to give input, the words are splitted.
Okay, so why the words are splitted, you'll be seeing in below code. So the first word is insert, that is new message of 0 triple equals to insert. That the first word is insert. Then we are going to give the if condition, that is db dot collection of sales dot add. So this is my sales collection. In this collection we are going to add it. Okay, so these are my previous addings insertions. So what you are going to add, so we are going to add the below content list sid, sname, profit. So after insert, what we are going to give a word is sid, then sname, then profit. So this is the insert cell we are going to give. Okay, after insertion, so see, after insertion, if the data is added, then I should get this data stored and output message in the telegram bot. So this is the code for that. Then bot dot send message of message dot chat dot data stored. And if the first word is not insert, that means we don't want insertion to be happen. I want to get the data. So the first word is get, and then the next word should be sid, the data we want to retrieve it. Okay, so in this db dot collection of sales means in sales collection, if the sid is found, then we are getting it, and then we are going to give the output, required output. Okay, so it's for every sid we are going to give, it will be giving output. And then see, in this video, in this telegram bot, we are not including any primary keys, unique keys, or any foreign keys. So we are getting every SIDs. We can have any number of SIDs of same SID. Like I have one is SID, and same one can be used for many numbers, as we are not using unique or primary keys. Okay, if you don't want to make sure of insertion or deletion, the last message please make sure of will be the message will be getting. Okay, now let's execute it. So in command, we are going to open command prompt, and we are going to execute node api.js, and it's running. When you are opening telegram, and this is my bot, and if I give input, that is insert 1102 Vinay Venkat, 1102 is my id, as name is Venkat, and that is a profit. So then this data is stored in firebase, and the output is data stored. And if I want to get the data from the database, you have to give get and sid. Sid is 1102, which is stored in the above message itself. And then see, and if you want to get some other like 2400, which I previously stored, that is when I 45, and this is where all the data is stored. So you see, so 30 profit, 11 not SID, his name is Venkat. This is what I entered before. And let's enter another one so that you can see it. So insert 1103. We should enter 1103. JD and profit is somewhat 23. Data stored, and here if you can see here, the data is appearing here. So data is stored in the firebase firstore database. Okay, so this is my code, and this is my telegram bot, and this is my database. Thank you.